धर्म्यम् अर्ध्यं यशस्यं च सोपदेशं ससंग्रहम्
भविष्यतश्च लोकस्य सर्वकर्मानुदर्शतु
सर्वशास्त्रार्थसम्पन्नम्
सर्वशिल्पप्रवर्तकम्
नाट्याद्यं पञ्चमं वेदं सेयमिहासकरोम्यहम्
एवं संकल्प्य भगवान् सर्ववेदान् अनुस्मरन्
नाट्यवेदं ततश्चक्रे चतुर्वेदाङ्गसम्भवम् जग्राहवाक्यं ऋग्वेदात्
सामभ्यो गीतमेव च
यजुर्वेदात् अभिनयान्
रसायनात् अथर्वणानपि
वेदोपवेदैः सम्बद्धौ नाट्यवेदो महात्मना एवं भगवता सृष्टो ब्रह्मणा सर्ववेदिना.
Let's take up the Shakha aspect of Angika Abhinaya. Shakha literally means branch. If we take the body to be the trunk of a tree, naturally the hands are its branches. Under Shakha, we'll first study Abhinaya Hastas, which are meant to communicate ideas. These are also classified as Asamyuta Hasta or single hand gestures and Samyuta Hastas performed with both the hands. We'll see the Asamyuta Hastas first.
पताकस्त्रिपताकश्च तथा वै कर्तरीमुखः अर्धचन्द्रो ह्यराळश्च शुकतुण्डस्तथैव च मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपित्तः खटकामुखः सूच्यास्यः पद्मकोशः सर्पशिरा मृगशीर्षकः काङ्गूलक अलपद्मश्च चतुरो भ्रमरस्तथा हंसास्यो हंसपक्षश्च सन्दंशो मुकुलस्तथा ऊर्णनाभस्ताम्रचूडश्चतुर्विंशतिरीरिताः.
We'll now see the Samyuta Hastas.
अञ्जलिश्च कपोतश्च कर्कटः स्वस्तिकस्तथा खडकावर्धमानश्च हृत्सङ्गो निषधस्तथा डोलः पुष्पपुटश्चैव तथा मकर एव च गजदन्तो अवहितश्च वर्धमानस्तथैव च एते तु संयुता हस्ता मया प्रोक्तास्त्रयोदशः.
Each of these gestures has a literal meaning, but they can be used to depict varied ideas. For example, Pataka means flag, but it could be used to depict even contrary ideas, like I could say, "You are most welcome," or "Shut up and get out," all with the same gesture.
The Abhinaya Hastas of Natya Shastra look the same as what we use in Bharatanatyam today.
In Kuchipudi too, and of course in Odissi also.
In Kathak we use just a few Abhinaya Hastas, but they are the same as in Natya Shastra.
In Kerala, the Sampradaya seems to be different. They use many of our Hastas, but why do they name them differently?
With regard to the change in the names, it may be the result of the unintentional variations found in Hasta Lakshana Deepika of unknown authorship, which is comparatively a recent work. But Maharaja Kartika Tirunal's Balarama Bharatam follows Bharata more faithfully. There are 4 Hastakaranas for rolling the wrist.
अथावेष्टितमेकं स्याद् उद्वेष्टितमथापरं व्यावर्तितं तृतीयं तु चतुर्थं परिवर्तितं व्यावर्तितं तृतीयं तु चतुर्थं परिवर्तितं.
We have Bahu Karma or Karavartana, which are 10 ways of moving the arms.
तिर्यग्गूर्ध्वगतं चैव तथाधोमुख एव च आविर्धश्च अपविर्धश्च मठे पञ्चदश्चेति चोदितः बाहु प्रकारो दशधा नाट्यनृत्तप्रयोक्तृभिः.
There are 13 Nritta Hastas. They are totally different from the Abhinaya Hastas, and they have been out of vogue in their proper order. But shadows of these can be seen in various Deshi forms without their realizing their connection with the Margi. Each Nritta Hasta has a definite course of action for the entire arm. Whenever more than one reading was available, I have given more than one interpretation for the same hasta. Since these are to be used in Nritta Karanas, they are called Nritta Hasta.
चतुरश्रौ तथा उद्वृत्तौ तथा चतुरश्रौ तथा उद्वृत्तौ तथा तलमुखौ स्मृतौ स्वस्तिकौ विप्रकीर्णौ चापि करालखटकामुखौ
Like Udbhana of Natyashastra, we have this movement in Mohiniyattam.
Padmaji, I could recognize some of the Nritta Hastas which are similar to our Nritta Hastas. For example, for playing the drum, Talamukha. Next, Swastika, Sorsa Swastika. We have this as Chali Hasta.
This is Suchasya.
Sometimes we have this movement also.
This is Pallava.
For Nitamba, we do like this.
Nitamba is done like this.
Your Lata Hasta is quite similar to our same step as walking. For example, next one. We have this as Chandra Ardha Putita?
It's Parshva Mandali. This window, of course, this is Nalini Padmakosha.
Arala Kataka Mukha, like our Kathak gestures.
You can find many such traces in Ardeshi forms.
You said these hastas and movements of the feet are combined in karanas. What are the movements of the feet?
A major element of the karana is the chari or the leg movement. It's not based on mere footwork technique. It has its root in char, meaning to move. Chari involves the movement of the entire leg from the root of the thigh down to the toes. Bharata enlists and describes 16 bhumicharis and 16 akashacharis. In bhumicharis, the feet are close to the ground. Come, see them.
Samapada, Samapada. Siddhavata. Shakatasya tathaiva cha. Adhyadhika, adhyadhika. Chashagatir, chashagatir. Vidyavacha tatha para. Edaka kridita. Edaka kridita, edaka kridita padha, उत्स्पन्दिता 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 जनिता 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 स्यन्दिता च अपस्यन्दिता स्यन्दिता च अपस्यन्दिता समोद्धरिता मत्तळि समोद्धरिता मत्तळि मत्तळि चेति षोडश मत्तळि चेति षोडश मत्तळि चेति षोडश.
Now see the Akashacharis. These are movements of the leg off the ground, including lifting, extending, leaping, and jumping.
Atikranta, 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 atikranta hi aparanta, aparanta. Parshvakranta tathaiva cha.
The 32 basic charis by themselves seem to make such a lovely concert number.
गुरुजी, अपने चोलम तांडव में भी तो आकाशी भ्रमरी है ना?
होता है लता नंग अमुक दंग लोगों दो उतला
The Natya Shastra enlists and describes 108 Karanas in its 4th chapter.
According to mythology, sage Bharata and Lord Brahma presented the play Tripuradaha in the immediate presence of Shiva. Shiva was pleased and inspired. He was reminded of his own Sandhya Tandava, the dance of twilight, which is made up of Karanas. He called his attendant Tandu to teach these to Bharata. Hence, Bharata called this art Tandavam in honor of his guru Tandu. Shiva also suggested that the Karanas may be utilized in the Purvaranga or preliminaries of the play, thus converting the ritualistic or Shuddha Purvaranga into pictorial or Chitra Purvaranga. These moments are said to bestow the same fruit as Yajna. Such is the efficacy of beautiful dance.
Who is Tandu? Is he identified with any historic figure?
Perhaps so. Tandu could have also been a divine yet human guru of Bharata.
Here at Mahabalipuram, on the first year of the Dharmarajaratha of the 7th century, there are a couple of interesting sculptural panels relevant to Natya Shastra. This could probably be Shiva witnessing Bharata dancing. Following the sequential order found in Natya Shastra, the next panel may perhaps be portraying Tandu as receiving instruction from Shiva to teach Bharata.
He is also often seen playing the Vadya for Shiva's dance as seen in the Kailasanatha temple at Kanchipuram.
I suppose Tandava means dance by men and Lasya dance by women.
No, according to Natya Shastra, Tandava is a synonym of Nritta or dance. The 108 Karanas are described under the chapter heading Tandava Lakshana. The movements are the same for both the sex. Though the form remains the same, the psychology of physical movements differ due to the intensity of energy released. This is caused by the inherent nature of men and women. Tandavam came to mean masculine dance only in the post-Bharata period. Bharata calls it Uddhata Prayoga, the forceful usage with masculine grace, and Sukumara Prayoga, the charming usage with feminine grace, both coming under Tandava. The Karanas are the foundation on which the Bharatiya Margi tradition of Nritta was built. It is common to all regions. It had influenced the world of Hindu iconography and sculpture. Though there are dance sculptures and dance-like sculptures all over India, 5 temples at Thanjavur, Kumbakonam, Chidambaram, Tiruvannamalai and Vriddhachalam, all in Tamil Nadu, have the pride of having a systematic codification of the 108 Karanas. Let's first go to Thanjavur.
नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः.
Here at Thanjavur, this mammoth temple in granite was consecrated by the great Chola Emperor Rajaraja in the year 1010 AD. This temple has the earliest and unique stone codification of the Karanas. Their placement is also interesting. Around this sanctum, there is a corridor which has fine fresco paintings of 11th century. Exactly above this is a similar corridor in the first tier of this magnificent Vimana, where we have the Karana figures. This passage was discovered by Sri K.R. Srinivasan, the then superintendent of the Archaeological Survey of India.
Which year was it?
1956.
Oh, it strangely coincides with your entry on the stage as a little dancer.
It's God's will. It was my guru in research, Padma Bhushan, Dr. T. N. Ramachandran, the then Joint Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, who identified these sculptures as Karana figures of Shiva Tandava Murti relating to Natya Shastra. I joined him as a student in 1963. He was a memorable guru. Let's see the Karanas now. The first is Talapushpa Puttam. Next comes Vartitam. Then Valitorukam, Apavidham, and so on.
Shiva is seen dancing here with 4 arms. What are we to do for the other 2 hands?
I am convinced that in many cases the 4 arms depict animation. See this. The secondary arms show the course of action. The serial order is totally in consonance with that of the Natya Shastra.
Are we to dance this Karana with Veena in our hands?
These have been planned most consummately to guide the dancers. Here, the Veena in Shiva's hands suggests the space between the hands and the chest. These are Ardha Shilpas, and many of them suggest the forward movements in profile. The shifting of the weight, bending of the body, and such minute details have been achieved even in the initial stage of these carvings. I have stood stunned like stone for hours and days in this passage with passionate juxtaposition of my spirit on these carvings, experiencing animation in them and a sense of recollection of the moments in me and the moments of the distant past. To me, these sculptures are live with action, teaching the technique in silence like Dakshinamurti. This series is qualitatively and quantitatively incomplete. There are only 81 figures. The blank slabs from the 82nd place is a tragic sight.
A real loss to the dance world.
The reason for this is a mystery.
Jai Jai Bharat, Jai Bharat, Jai Bharat, Jai 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 Jai Bharat, Jai Jai